Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the preparation of sulfur dioxide, and now in this topic we are going to talk about the physical properties of sulfur dioxide. So what are those? Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, in this topic I am going to talk about the physical properties of sulfur dioxide. So starting with the first one, that is talking about physical nature. So sulfur dioxide is basically a colorless gas, and obviously if I talk about the odor, it is very pungent and obviously very much suffocating. So therefore we could write here for odor as it is having a pungent smell, and obviously it is very much suffocating. And talking about the solubility, it is very much soluble in water, and that's the reason whenever that is SO2 it combines with H2, it forms that is H2SO3, which is known as sulfurous acid, and that's the reason that SO2 is known as anhydrate of sulfurous acid, that is H2SO3. So talking about melting point and boiling point of SO2, so SO2 is very much easily liquefiable, and that's the reason that the boiling point of SO2 is basically 263 Kelvin. And talking about that is its nature, it is basically acidic in nature, and this is what I was talking about, the physical properties of SO2. So for now that's it, and thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.